Evening everyone. Good evening. How are you? So today Divya and me discuss about boys and girls. Who is better? So according to your opinion, which one is better?
According to my opinion, a daughter is also better than boys.
Why?
Because a daughter do a lot of hard work for his family and they understand understand that our his parents properly means they know that what some girls are good and mostly are wrong.
Just like boys, both ratio are same.
Yeah,
So
but you know that girls are more understanding than boys.
no, boys have also understanding.
You know that if a girl live in his in-laws family and that time if his in-laws parents they tolerate them and they tease them, that time she means she don't say to them anything and she think that this is my life, and if that girl do with the boy, that time boy become anger and they take a lot of steps means
Because it's their compulsory. You know why?
but you know
Because they also do a hard work for their family.
and you said that girls are not too hard.
Yeah, they do. If some girl is educated or they do hard work in business and jobs, then they don't tolerate anyone's teases or excuses.
But you know that many girls are not mentally strong. They capable means they have a lot of skills to do any work. But they are not mentally strong. If any person said to them anything, then they feel embarrassed and they start crying. But if the
No,
boy
it's
side,
not so.
it is happening.
No.
Also with you it is happening. I know that if anyone said to you, then you feel embarrassed and I saw your face that you feel cry at that time.
No means it's a emotions attachment.
Yeah.
No, it's not that I am weak, then I tolerate anyone's excuses for that. Means if someone's emotions are connected with us, then we feel embarrassed.
Yeah.
And if someone hurts us,
You know
that's
that I think that girls are innocent than boys. Because you know boys also when a boy grow up, that time his parents gave him the permission to go outside. But this is not happening with the girls. If she is a young, if she is a grow up, then his family said that now my daughter is grow up. Then they then they worried about them that my daughter is grow up.
means boys have a big responsibility than girls, according to me.
But according to me, girls have a lot of responsibility than boys.
Why?
You know that if a boy do any wrong work, that time mostly means 4 to 5 days people say that his son do that work, means that type of wrong work. But if a girl take a wrong step, then the whole society said to his father that your daughter do that work and you come here and why are you go outside? You at that time they feel embarrassed.
Means it is right, but we talk about who is better, not for equality or who is
Okay.
empowerment. That's why we come on our topic.
Okay, then you ask any question.
Means sometimes girls do some wrong things, which is much harmful for everyone.
Yeah.
It means there is the in-laws family and their parental home.
Yeah.
So that time they defame both of them. In that cases, what you want to say about that?
Means it's the mistake of that girl, and I think that it's the mistake of that parents, because they are not pay attention on them. If they pay attention on her daughter, that time she don't do any wrong work in his life. She become capable and also sensible.
According to me, if parents pay attention on their students, also
Student.
means
Child.
child. Also, in that cases, some children are defamed them,
You know that
because when we grow up, at that time everything depend on us. If we want to do good, then we make a good. If we do anything bad, then it's depend on us.
and you know that it's means if we choose a bad society, then we live with the bad pupils, then its effect on our personality. Means if we live with that in that society where the good pupils live, and they have a respective pupils, that time we think that if I am make a capable person and I do any good work, that time they all give me also respect.
Yeah.
But if any person live in a bad society, that time it's I think that
There's mentality is
mentally
also
or
like that.
also like that, and he do wrong works there. He thinks that if that person
But also in bad environment, many pupils are making good.
good,
You
but
expect or
I
not?
don't saw that pupils who live in bad environment and they become good. But sometimes it is happening. I don't know about it.
You also know the pro of center and snacks.
I don't know.
The tree of center which covered by the snack.
Yeah,
Yeah. So what's your opinion about that?
I think that if you know that if a person I hear a story, means a pastime story in a bad area, means there's a pupils are some. She want to live with the respect, and she also choose a college, and there she don't said that where I live, and when the people know about his location, then there she live, that time they tolerate them and they teach them that you come from that society where the bad women live. Then when first time she think that I leave my study, and I am not living here. Then his mother said to him that this is happening by me, because I am wrong and I take a wrong step. That's why you means you feel it. That time you feel the embarrassed because of me. But she said to them, if you want to do any good work in your life, then what the people say, don't pay attention on them, because their work is teasing everyone. They don't want that any person go ahead than them. When she passed his exam, that time she topped his whole college, and the principal also come in his society and gave him a respect. And after that, she leave that society. In my opinion, means if there's no matter that where we can live, if we think that we do this, then we have a courage to do this, do that work, then we do. It doesn't matter that where we can live.
According to me, after marriages, means girls after marriages, girls leave their in-law, means parental home. After when they went go to their in-laws home, and their boys want to search their family and their parents, but they prevent them. This is right or wrong?
Yeah, this is right, but you know that if a girl go any other's home, then his environment is also changed. She think that she feels shy there because that home is not his. And that time she feels that if I make any mistake, then what they all think about
When
me.
she did a big mistake and they separated their parents.
Yeah, but when the condition is make that time if a sensible girl live any other family, then if the condition of bad, if the condition makes bad, that time she think to separate himself from his family. But if they are good, then no one think that I live separate, because if any person live in a means in joint or nuclear family, it depends that if that person live with his parents, then they also help them in money and many things. They also help them. So no one think that I live separate from my family. Everyone want that I
But
live with my
sometimes
parents.
girls are wrong. That's why they separate that.
Yeah, I agree with you, because a lady is also live near to my home, but you know that his son is also bad. He is not pay attention on his parents, his own parents. Not he pay attention on the girl's parents, means his in-laws parents. He do everything for them, but he don't do anything for his own parents. If his mother said that I want to money for my medicine, because she become ill in nowadays, and when his daughter-in-law come, and then she said to his son that I want to please give me some money for my medicine, and your father and me also we are ill. Then his son said I have no money, and the second day he go in his in-laws home, and there he gave us some money. Means I don't know about it how much money he gave, but he gave them for anything.
According to your opinion, these all things what affects?
It's affect if any person live in a good society, and a bad person means just like that person come in your society, then it's affect bad on children also, because what the child see, then he learn also about it.
According to me, mostly girls are separated. Means they make boys to do that work for to treat this type of to their parents. Not but boys don't do this.
But you know that mostly boys do this. They said to his wife means then you don't go in your parental home.
No, it's not so for every condition.
It's so, because I saw this thing. So
You are married.
I'm not married, but
Then why you said
in my family it is happening, and I don't said anyone about it.
It happens with
Anything
your
about
mother.
it. I don't want to say anything about
Means
it.
what I ask you, give me answer.
Yeah,
This is happens with your mother.
yeah. Also, this has happened with my mother.
You know why it's happened?
Due to some reasons, because when my fourth sister born, that time a little fight with my grandmother and means my mother's parents do a little fight, means not a big fight, but some, because of related to my sister, because the fourth girl baby is born, so that's why it is happened, and my father.
Exactly.
Okay,
According to your opinion, that father gives a dowry in girl's marriage, it is right or wrong?
it's also wrong.
Why?
Because you know that every person is not capable to give the dowry for groom family, but it is his compulsion to give him dowry.
But according to me, the means the bride's family is also demand that.
I don't know about it.
Why you
That
don't know?
the bride's family
Means
also
if someone gave means search groom, then they said what he do and what is salary.
every parent search about it.
Yeah, also that in that cases they after they demand for a dowry. Then what's wrong in that case?
I don't know that the bride's family. I don't saw anywhere. I don't hear anywhere that
You don't hear that when in any wedding, if someone get a bit gold and bit clothes, then it's create a fight.
yeah.
Then why you said that
But
you don't know about it?
you know that because of why it is happening, because of the groom family demand a lot of dowry, and when the bride's family is tolerate about that and in a many time when they come to for wedding, then in last moment they ask me, they said to them, I want that type of money and many more money they demand. Then when the people of bride's family they tolerate and they means they tease, then they think that I also demand to them
Means you understand my words. What I want to say.
yeah, I understand that
Means I said that if the groom family demand for dowry, then the family of bride is also need some things. You know what?
what I don't know.
Means if someone search a groom, that time they also need the salary of groom is too, and he earns so much money and he has a big house and they make my girl like a queen.
But you know that every parent search about it.
Yeah.
Means if he is capable or not, every parent search about it. And no one thinks that my daughter live in a poor family. No one think, but
Then if they don't thought that means their daughter lived their life in a poor family.
not all family, not the all people think about it, because many people think that if my daughter live happy in that person with that person, that it is good for them. If he earn a bit money, not a lot, but he make happy my daughter, then
You
it is
know
good.
one thing, girls are never satisfied with anything.
Yeah,
They need a lot of things.
you and also me.
Yeah, everyone. I talk about all girls.
Yeah.
Not only one. You know that boys go anywhere, then they spend a day in a one t-shirt or two t-shirt. But if girl came anywhere, then they collect a lot of dresses for their.
And after that, they
Yeah,
said
yeah.
that I have no dresses to
Yeah. This is happens, but the boys don't demand for much clothes or
Yeah.
jewelries.
But I think that they demand many more things than clothes and jewelry.
What they demand.
Mean after 12th, they passed 12th and they demanded to his family that I want to take a phone, mobile phone, and I want to purchase a computer and to give money for that.
Means without the permission of parents and without the agreement of parents, they don't do anything. But because they don't have money, much money.
If they purchase for his son, but they don't purchase for his daughter. In many families, if they bring means any expensive thing for his son, then his daughter said, why you don't purchase it for me? Then they said
You
many
know
things.
why they purchase it for boys?
I don't know, but
Because they go outside for work and for if they want to need anything, then they call them.
and you know that girls is also go outside.
Yeah, but not for all time and all girls. If somebody don't give mobile phone to their daughters, then they also don't give permission to go outside.
But you know that in many families, a daughter is also said that I also go out. She also go outside, and she said to his father that I need a mobile phone and please his life.
Mobile phone is harmful for everyone.
Yeah, but they don't think that if they purchase mobile phone for his boys in a teenager age, then time is also harmful for them.
Yeah.
I think that in a teenager age, then mobile phone is also harmful for both.
Yeah, this is also in childhood.
Yeah,
Because when we use much mobile phone at that time, our memory is full from that things. Then
you know that means now parents what they do.
what?
When his child grow up, means it become 2 or 3 years, then they give a mobile phone that they think that my child is busy on mobile and I do my work. It is right or wrong?
It's absolutely wrong.
But in his opinion, it is right.
Because also had my own small child. Then I gave him phone, but not all time. Because I connected him from natural things. Like
But you do also you do this, but
I
not
got tips only for that.
not all people do this. They all means now generation parents who become parents now. That time they think that if my child is annoyed me, then I don't do my work properly. Then they give a phone and his child is also busy on
You
phone.
know, in past time, what the people do.
In past time, people live in a joint family. You know that, and there's many persons in a family, and anyone hold his children, and that the woman do any work. But now in present time, all people think that I live in a nuclear family because of I think that because of the increasing money price of everything.
Means you told me some facilities which are available for girls, not for boys.
I think that parents means if parents said to any girls that you don't do this, then if she is sensible, then she don't do that work. But if he said to his son that if you don't do this and as well as you do this, then he don't pay attention on them. If what is mind said, then he
According to you, boys are useless.
yeah.
You are wrong.
I'm not wrong. Not all boys are.
But you
useless.
said about all boys.
I don't said about
Means
all boys.
I said about difference between which facility are available for girls. Then you said that you don't take any word for a bit.
No, I don't say that all boys are wrong. Many are
That
good.
all girls are not good.
Yeah, both are means you know that everything has two faces. First is good and second is bad. So that time all pupils have two faces. First is good and second is bad. So that time all girls are not so good and not all boys are so good. Some boys are good. Just means in my family I saw many boys who do everything for his parents. Means if he served properly his parents and his wife also do that.
You know, tomorrow sir show the video. In that video, the boy do a overtime and also keep on his study.
Because I am not coming yesterday, so that then I don't know about it.
Yeah, but you use social media and then you know about it. You watch any video, in that video you watch any boy who do overtime job and after she means he keep on his study.
Yeah, I also watch many videos related to that. But you know that girl also do that.
Yeah,
They do any part-time job and after that they keep on his studies.
according to me, girls have options, but boys have not options.
Yeah, you are right because girls have an option. They think that any person is also do hard work for me. So then what's the need?
Yeah, condition which you said now. That time I said about that condition means girls thought that if I don't do anything in my life, then I get married.
Many girls think that many girls think that not my mentality. They think that and a girl also said to me this word. So what I said about that, she said to me that a donkey is also do hard work for me. Then what is the need for to do I am hard work. I do hard
You
work.
said that means many girls are said that according to you boys are donkey.
Means that girl also come at my home, means at my shop, and she said to me because after some time she getting married, so then she said to me.
Boys are overexcited. Means I ask about some facilities.
I also
Which is
told
available for.
what do you want facility?
If you give me another facility.
Means you know that if a girl don't think that if after marriage many girls do any job and many think that I don't need to do any job and they are capable and sensible. They also have a capacity to do any job, but they don't think about that. They think that my life is finished in kitchen and I handle my house. Then in my opinion,
They thought that if I don't do hard work, then I have also money. Then
and my dreams also
you
fulfilled.
also in favor of me.
No, I'm not in favor of you, but yeah, I know about it. So what I said,
Okay.
and I don't know about much more at that topic. So you ask any other question.
You have no question. Means if someone asks to any girl means which type of groom you want, then what she said according to your opinion.
In my opinion, it depends on his mentality. Means what she think about that. Means and every girl think that if my parents search any groom, then he become just like my father and just like his brother. Means if she have brother, then she think that if any person come in my life, then he is also just like my parents.
Such girls means are there, and there a reporter go, not reporter means video creator go, and he asks to a girl means which type you groom you want. Then she said I want that type of a groom who has a lot of property, who has a lot of money, and who is like Ambani. And also beside the girl, a boy stand and he asked this type of bride you need and want. He said, you look at my face. If I get any girl, then it's okay. So what's your opinion about
In
it?
my opinion, means that boy said right, but not all girls said this. That I want.
That boy is right. Means
At that time, boy is right because he saw the face of that girl. What she said at that time. Then his condition is right. What he
the
said.
condition of girl is too poor according to me.
Yeah, because
Not in physically means in mentally.
yeah, and also in physically because only those girls think about that who didn't get any means anything what she want in his life. So I think that only that girls think about it, and also that girl think about it who have a lot of money, means who spend his life just like a princess. So she don't want to do any work. Then she think that if I get a groom just who has a lot of money, and many are capable who face every situation, and she think that if a person who live with me, if she become me happy, then it is good for me. It doesn't matter if he has a lot of money or not.
Means you ask something.
I don't have any question.
So you tell the condition of boys nowadays.
Nowadays, you some mostly boys mooch around here and there. They also think that
No, it's not so.
why not?
Not all.
Mostly, I said mostly boys, not all boys.
Means some boys are have a much sense. So
So I don't include all boys.
Okay.
Then they think that if I get any girl, then it is good for me. And my father is
You
also.
take the word mostly and you said everything about boys. It's not good.
It is good for me.
If I take a word mostly, then I also said everything about girls.
So you said I don't said that you don't say anything about girls.
Means why you said wrong words about boys?
Why? Why you feel bad?
Because I am in favor of boys.
So you also speak about girls. I don't feel bad.
Okay. So you carry on.
What is it? Means boys think that if I get any girl, and my father is mostly boys who mooch around here and there. His father is also rich. Not those boys whose father is poor. They do hard work for his family. They think that if first I fix the condition of my family, and after that I think about that. But those children who has money, not a lot, but if he has a bit money, if he belong in a middle class family, then they think that my father is also do hard work and he collect a lot of money, and that money is after his death. That money is also mine. So what the use of I pay attention on my study and I do any work.
Mostly some girls are also find a rich man who fulfill his all dreams.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am right.
Yeah, you are right because only those girls think about that who take means who don't think about his parents and they think only about himself. They think that I get a rich person. I want say they think that if she want to get a marriage with a rich person, that it is good for him.
You know when we talk about those talks, pupils means which is happening now here and there. If we talk about their words, then every pupil thought that what she said this is wrong. She know everything about it and she also do this. That's why she said that. So what do you think about it?
I don't hear properly a question, so please speak again.
Means when we talk about those things which is going on nowadays, which mostly girls or boys are doing, pupils thought that if we talk about those things, then people thought she is absolutely wrong in that cases. That's why she has a knowledge about that, and so she said about it.
I think that it is the mentality of those people because if they are capable, then they understand our talks. But if they are not, means they think that also society means mostly people think that if a girl speak too much, then she is not good. Means his character is not good, and those people's mentality is that type who said that those girls what they talk about that, then they don't know about the society and they if they know then they don't speak about it. Then I think that I don't know that what people think about us. Means after this video, what they think about us, I don't know about it.
So you know that many times pupils which is happening in our areas, means what is going on impressing or loving pupils and but pupils thought that we avoid those things from our childrens, and we don't need to tell these cases to our childrens. This is right or wrong?
This is this is wrong or right also for those parents, because you saw that not any parents don't think that if his child take any wrong step, then they think that if I said to him that that person do any wrong work, then they whole day they think about that. Then they think that.
But we gave information about everything to our child.
Yeah, I also tell you that what they think, but it is right if they gave him information about that, but means in a good way, not any wrong way. If they explain them properly, then if what is happening after that, what is happening with them, then they explain him properly, then they understand his words, and they don't do that type of work.
So you want to ask something?
I think that is all.
So that's all.